Hello, so welcome and let's work out this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So let's now start with the solution. So our solutions to the maths problem, so the one is what we have. We have b to b cubed then minus b squared is equals to 100. So you can pause the video so that you work out this maths problem. Then from there share your answers that you've got on the comment section. So I hope you've done so. So let's now verify our answer by working this one out up to the end. So how do we go about this problem? So this one is a cube, so we need to come up with a number so that whereby when we subtract brings the result is 100. So in this case now we shall have b cube then minus b squared is equals to, so when we have a number like 125 then minus 25, we shall results to 100. So one of the numbers must be a cube of the other. For example, we can convert 125 to a cube, then we can also convert 25 to a square. For an example, suppose we have 2 or 4 as a number, or let's say we have 8 as a number. So 8 we can cube, whereby when we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, then now we shall end up with 2 cube. So 2 cube in this case now shall be 8. So 2 cube is 8. So that's why now we want to change 125 to the cube of b, then we shall also change 25 to the square of b. Like for example, when you have 4, so 4 can also be written as 2 multiplied by 2. So whereby now here now we shall now have 2 squared. So in this case now b cube, so now when you have b cube minus b squared, we shall now have here now we shall remain with 5 to the power of 3, then minus here 25, now we shall have 5 to the power of 2. So we can now rewrite this maths problem by now saying that, so when we rewrite this maths problem we shall have something like, so let's now have the cube on one side and the squares on different side. So now we shall have b cube, then now we shall have to bring this 5 cube to cross the equal sign. So since it's a positive, now it shall be minus 5 cube, then now it is equals to, so here now we have minus b squared. So when you cross the equal sign it shall be b squared then minus 5 squared. So we can still write it in the best way possible by now having b cube then minus 5 cube, then this one when we shall still have minus b squared, then here now shall have plus 5 squared is equals to 0. So in this case now we all know that suppose we have something like this one, so suppose we have something like a cube then minus b cube, then all this into bracket, we shall now end up with something like a minus b, then we shall put them squared, then we shall have a squared, then plus a squared plus ab, then a squared plus ab plus b squared. So this one into bracket. So meaning that the result for a cube minus b cube shall be a minus b, we close the bracket, a squared plus ab plus b squared. So here now we shall now have, so here now our a in this case, so our a is equals to b, our a is equals to b, correct, and our b is equals to 5, so b is equals to 5. So in this case now we shall have b minus 5, so b minus 5, then we shall have the bracket. So let's now we are picking the one. So b minus 5, we shall close the bracket, then into bracket again, a squared. So our a was b, so now b squared is like, now we shall have b squared, then now plus ab. ab is b multiplied by 5, and that is 5b. So we shall now have 5b here, then plus b squared, that is 20, 25 is all, this one now is equals to 0. So here now we shall now say that the result is b minus 5 is equals to 0, or b squared plus 5b plus 25 is equals to 0. So when you work out b minus 5 is equals to 0, and we remain with b on this other side, so now we shall now conclude that b is equals to 5, or when you work out all this number, like assuming that the sum is 5, so this one now, sorry, this one is now the sum, then 25 now becomes the product, then it will be difficult for us to work out this sum or this equation here, the whole of it. So it means that this problem or this number here is undefined. We cannot work it out until we get the answer, that is a whole number. So it means that our value for b is 5. So if happens that you've got 5 as the value of b, then you've worked it out. So you can still confirm the answer and check if it is really the correct answer. So now we have, so we had b cube minus b squared is equals to 100. So we got the value of b as 5. So now we shall have 5 to the power of 3 minus, here we shall also have 5 to the power of 2 is equals to 100. So 5 to the power of 3, now we shall have 125, then minus 5 to the power of 3 is 25 is equals to 100. So 125 minus 25, so meaning that our result here shall be 100 is equals to 100. So it means that we are so much correct when now we say that the results for b in this case, so our result for b is equals to 5. So if really happens to get b as 5, so it means that you've worked it out in the best possible way. So otherwise, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please like the channel, subscribe to this channel, and always tune for more of these maths tips.